you think?
Love it. Love the orange with that wood. I think it looks awesome.
She likes it. She's the creative director here. She practically runs the show.
It's amazing. Can you do it in the house now?
Yeah. Let me just call the landlord and ask for permission. Something like this. I got an idea. Pegboard acoustic panel has been mounted. Alright, we just got home from playing with the kids and eating wings to go, so if I have wing sauce all over my face, that's why. But when we pulled up, I saw this. Thanks. A portable air conditioner.
I'm strong. Take it in the garage. Move it little more.
Right here.
Right here.
Thanks for the help. Thank you so much. It is going in the studio. I'm gonna figure out where to vent it in the wall, and it'll be climate controlled in there. Give her the sweet remote. Thank you, Toso. This is awesome. The next thing that's on the to-do list is take this tube and put a vent right there. Boom. I hope you all are doing good. Hey, make sure to subscribe. You're here watching this awesomeness take place. It's nice and cool in here. I just got the speakers hooked up and I'm ready to just zone out. Put some things on the pegboard wall. Pegboard. So let's get to it. Turn up the jams and get something done.